When choosing a ladder, it's not as simple as just grabbing the nearest one. First off, we broadly classify ladders into two categories: fixed and portable. Fixed ladders are permanent, they're bolted to a structure, while portable ladders, which you'll probably use more often, are the ones that we move around on site. These include self-supporting types like A-frames and non-self-supporting types like extension ladders. Each type has its purpose and limits, so don't try to use a self-supporting ladder as a straight ladder, and definitely don't try to rig ladders together or lay them flat to use as platforms. It's common sense, just use them the way that they were intended to be used. Materials also matter. You've got wood, which is sturdy but heavy. It's also a natural insulator. Aluminum's lighter, but it's a no-go near live wires since it's a conductive metal. Now, fiberglass is a great all-rounder. It's strong, only a bit heavier than aluminum, and it's non-conductive, so it's safe for electrical jobs. Next up, don't forget to check the load capacity. Every ladder's got its limit, and that includes your own weight, plus the weight of anything that you're carrying. You can check the duty rating of your ladder to know its maximum weight capacity. You've got Type 3 light-duty ladders, which can handle up to 200 pounds, all the way up to Type 1 AA special duty ladders that can handle up to 375 pounds. Last up, give your ladder a solid inspection. Look for splits, cracks, missing feet, anything that just seems off. A bit of mud or grease might not seem like much, but it could cause a slip and turn your day upside down. So make sure to clean it up. Also, make sure that the sticker on your ladder is legible, and if not, contact the manufacturer for a new sticker. And if it's wet, like from rain or cleaning, dry it off before you use it. Even wood and fiberglass ladders can still conduct electricity if they're wet.